Our dream has always been to build Tech Law Fest into the premier conference, and given the buzz and given the people that have turned up and the increasing number of regional participation, both in exhibitors and attendees over the last couple of years, we are on the right track. So you could see that there are very deep conversations around the impact of technology on law in the conference hall, but you can also see that and feel the buzz, right, in the trade show floor, where people who are interested in using tech to improve their legal practice can find solutions and can find partners. I think legal tech has actually gone through several cycles. We've moved to a stage where there are more and more of these legal tech solutions that will help lawyers to be much more effective and much more efficient. But I think that it is at a point where the next wave, right, of evolution is going to happen. It is where the technology is going to help lawyers partner their business partners in other departments, in companies, to use technology to comply with legal and regulatory requirements. And that's going to be a new frontier to explore, and I think that's really going to just expand legal tech beyond the consciousness of just lawyers and the legal sector into the consciousness of all business users.